Hi guys, this is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so super excited to have you here. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy that you stopped by, and I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to get alerts as to when I upload new videos. So today, this is the final day of my holiday home series. So from November 15th to November 30th, I've been uploading videos to help you guys get ideas and inspiration and tips on how to decorate your home for the holiday season on a budget. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series. So in this video today, I'm going to do a little nighttime home tour. So this is going to be just at night to see how my home has come along over the last 2 weeks and my decorating progress. I'm not quite finished just yet, but I have made quite a bit of progress, and I wanted to show you guys how everything looks at nighttime. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really helps me tremendously. Just click the like button. So also I wanted to mention to you guys that now that we're done with my holiday home series, I will be starting Vlogmas on December 1st, so be sure to check back because I will be uploading daily videos throughout the month of December leading up to Christmas. So there will be lots of fun activities and things that I'll just be sharing with you guys, as well as my Christmas home tours. So this is just a nighttime tour, but we will be doing home tours of each area of my home throughout the month of December leading up to Christmas. Alrighty guys, again, if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. And for my faithful family members, mwah, 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 you guys know I love you so very much. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.